When it comes to the valuation of tourmaline or how valuable a piece of tourmaline is, especially for something like a serious mineral collector, this largely hinges on things like color and clarity and rarity and form. And this accounts for things like both cut stones and natural crystals like this. So, probably the most valuable variety is going to be things like Paraiba tourmaline, which, for context, that is not what this is. This is sort of a green variety of elberite tourmaline. But Paraiba tourmalines are probably amongst the most prized varieties, and they're known for that distinctive neon blue to green hue that's caused by copper content. So these are essentially as rare as hen teeth, and they fetch really high prices. This can be with cut stones or with natural raw specimens, especially when they're nice, well-terminated pieces. Now, the next in line are going to be things like rubellite red and deep greens. Now, rubellite is a bit of a trade name, but it's essentially a dark pink to reddish variety of tourmaline, so particularly when the colours are very saturated and evenly distributed. You've also got things like watermelon tourmaline that has a pink centre and a green rim. Some people are going to disagree with this and encompass things like bicoloured tourmalines where you've got pink at the top, green at the bottom, but I'm just going to let people have that argument because it's not going to end. Now, we're looking for things like zoning, we're looking for good translucency. On the flip side, the overly dark or muddy coloured stones like shawl, which is black tourmaline, or poorly saturated greens and browns are going to be far less sought after unless they're exceptional crystals with kind of textbook terminations or dramatic striations. So in a relative sense, the least valuable varieties are going to be things like black tourmaline, aka shawl, or things like dravite perhaps, which is more of a brown variety of tourmaline.